Hi, this is Sunil from Learning Lad with a video tutorial on C programming. So in this tutorial we're gonna see the two more character related functions available in C. They are called isprint and another one is called iscntrl or iscontrol. Okay, now in this tutorial we're gonna see what are these functions, what's the use of them, and how we can use them. Okay, this isprint function is used to check whether a character is a printable character or not. So this function is going to return a non-zero value if this character passed here is a printable character, including the space, else it's going to return a value of 0. So in ASCII environments, the printable characters are in the range of 0x20 to 0x7a. And now the iscontrol or iscntrl function. This function is used to check whether a character is a control character or not. So this function is going to return non-zero if the character passed here is a control character, and else it's going to return a value of 0. So in ASCII environments, a control character is a character with a value between 0 and 0x1f or equal to a value of 0x7f. Okay, now here in this tutorial, just for the demonstration purpose, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a variable of type ch, and then I'm gonna use the isprint function to check whether a character is a printable character or not. So I'm gonna use that isprint function inside a if statement. If isprint, and we need to pass ch as a parameter. So if that character is a printable character, then this isprint function is going to return a non-zero value, and it's going to mean success here. That's why the if block will be executed. We're going to print %c is a printable character, and also we need to refer ch here. Else, if that isprint function is going to return a value of 0, then it's going to mean that the character is not a printable character. So I'm gonna copy this printf statement and paste it here, and I'm gonna say it's not a printable character. Okay, and to demonstrate the use of iscontrol function, I'm gonna copy this one and paste it here in the next line, and I'm gonna change this one to iscntrl. Iscontrol is a control character and is not a control character. Okay, now we are ready. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna store a character in this variable ch. So now I'm gonna store a character a. So this a is a printable character, but it's not a control character. That's why this if block will be executed while checking for is printable character, and the else block will be executed while checking for whether it's a control character or not. So I'm gonna execute, compile and run. Okay, before that let me add a new line. I don't know why always I forget that. Okay, I'm gonna save this, compile and run. Okay, I can see here a is a printable character and a is not a control character. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is we're gonna add a control character here just for the demonstration purpose. I'm gonna add /n. So this /n is not a printable character, but it's a control character. So I can see here /n, which we can't see here, is not a printable character, but it's a control character. So this is it, guys. This is about the isprint and iscontrol or iscntrl function in C. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.